Hello, welcome to my YouTube page. My name is Daniel Cousino, and with these tutorials I'm going to take you step by step on how to create and carve out your own ventriloquist figure. Anywhere from your feet, hands, the head, how to make a body, the inside of the head, how to install the spring and the string, the hinges, everything you need to know to install the inside of the body. Some of the tools you will need, you don't need everything that you see in my video. I would recommend a 4-inch belt sander, a hand sander, palm sander, definitely a Dremel, or there's other types out there that are cheaper. You can pick them up for around 30 bucks. Those come with attachments to them. You can also buy extra attachments if you need them. They're great for wood. They have a lot of different wood attachments you can use. It also has a lot of sanding wheels that I use in mine. But we'll take you step by step on how to create the head, how to cut it out. I've left these videos, the first videos I've done, I have a hand video that's completely finished from cutting it out to carving it out. I've left it all in real time for these first videos, so if you want to watch through the entire video in normal time, you can. Later on, when I start just carving out the heads, I'll add fast time and stuff to it. But I thought for these first ones, to help you out, that I would just leave it in real time. Feel free to just skip ahead where you need to skip ahead, because there's a lot of steps. The cutting your head out and gluing it together, you're going to take 2-3 days to do that because you want it to really set up. The actual carving of the head, to getting it from start to carve it all the way to getting it all hooked up together, you're looking at about a total of 5 hours. I break mine up. I only work a few hours a day on them. If you get tired, you don't want to keep carving, you want to stop and take a break. Sometimes I gotta stop and think about the head for a while before I go back to it, trying to think of what I want to do. But we'll cover like the boys, girls' heads, different types of creatures. I have a zebra over there. But I have created many different figures that I've just sent all over the world. About myself, I did ventriloquism for about 45 years. I'm a retired postal worker now, so I know when I started, their vent figures were so expensive. So, and I sell all my creations. So if you see something that I'm working on and you want it, you can reach me on Facebook under my name, Daniel Cousino, and or if you have a question, you can question me there if you need to. Like the dragons here have a smoke effect to it. We'll cover that in a future video. I even, like the clothes, I made these clothes because it's kind of hard to put a dragon in shirt and pants and a tie. So we'll even cover on how to make some clothes for it. So if you find these videos helpful, please subscribe to my page. I do appreciate it. And like I say, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. And I will keep posting my videos. I've got enough recorded now where I can post every day. So I'll be posting every day, every other day, so you can see from start to finish. So thanks for watching and welcome to my page. Thank you.